Most people believe that men's sexual performance and sexual function issues must be cured by medication, like Viagra. However, a natural and homemade remedy is just effective, if not better. This is because this remedy is made from aphrodisiacs, which encourage sexual feelings. Here's how to make homemade Viagra. Ingredients: fresh key lemon juice, watermelon. Preparation: cut the watermelon in tiny pieces. Blend a piece of watermelon until you get watermelon juice, about a liter of it. Put the juice in a pot and boil it for several minutes. Add the lemon juice to the watermelon juice. Mix the juice well and boil until the whole amount reduces to a half. Set the mixture aside for an hour so it cools down. Store juice in a clean glass bottle. Store in the refrigerator. Watermelon is great for your health, specifically for sexual health. It contains lycopene and citrulline. Both of these nutrients are aphrodisiacs and improve your sexual performance. When prepared to consume this mixture, be sure to limit your intake of the sugar and salt, as they can reduce the effects. Consume any amount of this drink, starting from 2 tablespoons to 1/3 of a cup. This should be taken in the morning, on an empty stomach, or in the evening. When consumed on a regular basis, you will soon notice an increase in your sexual potency and performance. Both men and women alike can benefit from this drink regardless of age. Please comment us in the comment section if you have any suggestion with this video. Hey everybody, if it is the first time you watch this video and you want to get more recipe and tips, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to our channel to make sure you will not miss all the new release video.